Each year, our planet shoulders the weight of billions of packages, heavy with material, but also heavier with the impact they leave behind because of the extraction and processing, manufacturing processes, and also the transportation and recycling. Huge amounts of CO2 are associated to these packaging. But what if I tell you that we can change that by making every single package just 10% lighter? My name is Omar, and I'm the co-founder of Digimind, where we leverage the power of AI to accelerate the lightweighting approaches. Our mission is very simple. We want to transform and accelerate the transition towards circularity by supercharging the lightweighting that all of you are doing already. How do we do that? We have built a software that consistently lightweight this packaging by up to 25% and without losing the performance. And since it's a software, I have a small video to show you how we do that. It's super easy. First, you bring your package, the target you have in mind. Then you select the material. We're material agnostic. Can be plastic, can be glass, can be tin. And we have a database associated with these materials. Then the magics of AI happen. It's compute. Comes with multiple scenarios of multiple lightweight associated with their performance, but also the environmental footprint. So you can have a visibility. And in a few minutes, you know where you're going to focus or not. Now, we understand that packaging engineering is complex and requires iterations. That's where we have advanced user capabilities where you can work with your suppliers and your partners to iterate on these packages. This software comes with 4 unique selling points that are very important to understand. The first one is when you have lighter packages, that means less CO2 emissions, lighter to transport, less material extracted, as I explained. The second is 60 to 80% of the cost structure of any package is just raw material. So if you lightweight them, you save money, obviously. Now, I do understand, and I heard one of the colleagues talking about their initiatives doing lightweighting. This is not about bringing lightweighting. This is about accelerating it 10 times faster. Using software technology, you don't need CapEx, you don't need large projects, large collaboration. We make it easy, collaborative, and hopefully more successful. Now, there is one thing more to this. This is AI, this is physics, which means we can also identify new designs that you could not see before. So our technology challenges the engineers, and we'll show you that. Now, last but not least, regulation, especially for us here in Europe. PPWR is coming, and there is a whole chapter around minimization. And it requires all of us to make reporting based on science. And there was even a mention of technologies like ours. Now we have put the right team behind this. We're very focused, very sharp and small team. Katarina, my co-founder, is a brilliant theoretical physicist. Most important, she has been developing this technology together with me at Siemens, where we have built such a product. Now, besides Katarina and myself, we have a team of brilliant collaborators and very, very sharp advisors that are helping us scale. Within the accelerator, within the 100 plus, we had the chance to work with AB InBev. They actually have challenged us, and we have learned later that the bottle we have worked on is perhaps one of the lightest in the world. Thank you, AB InBev. But, as I promised you, the AI did its job, and it identified multiple designs, and one of them was 10 grams lighter. This is huge. I mean, look at this brand. All of us know it. Now, I've taken this together with the colleagues from AB InBev to an independent organization, AGR, to validate if this is viable, manufacturable, and producible. And the answer was yes. And I am really pleased to say that we're still working together with AB InBev to scale this and bring it to production. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, impact at scale. Now, of course, we have done multiple other projects in tin and plastic, but this is my favorite. This is the jam I buy every week in Germany, back home. And actually, this jar has been lightweighted by 24%, which is huge. It's an iconic package. And most importantly, I'm super proud to tell you that if you go to the supermarket today in Germany, well, this is the new design that we have developed. Now, as a technology company, we have done a lot of things over the last few years. Importantly, developing the technology, the product, working with few customers, demonstrating the value. But our vision is very clear. We want to lightweight 40% of the rigid packaging by 2030 by up to 10%. And this is something we're really focused on. Now, I've done my homework, met some of you, and looked at the products you're working on. And imagine with me, next year, same place, same time, we're able to lightweight some of them by 10%. This is huge. We're talking about millions of metric tons of raw material that are not needed anymore, huge amount of CO2 emission that are extracted from the environment, and most importantly, really doing what we like all, making impact. So why wait? We have the technology, we have the knowledge, we have the team, and we have the urgency. So let's start today and make a long-lasting impact. Thank you very much.